If you've come across Kirezy, you may be wondering one thing. Is Kirezy actually legit or is it just another scam? Well, in this Kirezy review for 2026, I'm going to give you a quick and honest look. First, Kirezy is an online platform that has been getting attention from shoppers. The website may look professional at first glance, but that doesn't automatically mean it's trustworthy. One thing I always check is the website itself. Look at the product prices. Are they unusually cheap? If the discounts seem too good to be true, that's something to be careful about. I also look at the company information. A legitimate store should provide clear contact details. This includes an email address, business information, and a way to reach customer support. Another important thing is customer feedback. Don't just rely on reviews posted directly on the website. Check independent review platforms too. Look for comments about delivery, product quality, refunds, and customer service. And here's another big one. Check the payment options. Using a payment method with buyer protection can give you more security if something goes wrong. Now, does that mean Kirezy is definitely a scam? Not necessarily. A website can have some warning signs without automatically being fraudulent, but you should still do your homework before spending money. Personally, I would avoid rushing into a purchase, especially if you're seeing a huge discount or limited time offer pushing you to buy immediately. So, is Kirezy legit or a scam? My advice is simple. Be cautious. Verify the company details. Check independent reviews. And make sure you understand the refund policy before placing an order.